Happy New Year, everyone! I know that's right. It's not the first day of 2020, is it? It's kind of weird that I'm saying this now, but believe it or not, this is actually my very first video that I'm doing in 2020. In case you haven't noticed, I've taken a bit of a break off of YouTube. I've been a bit inactive, in case you haven't noticed, but I figured now I would, take the time to, of course, come back, and I figured, well, what better way to start this off than to talk about different work from home jobs that you could apply for. So in this video, I want to go over 7 work at home jobs that you could apply for in the year 2020. And if you watch this video to the very end, not only am I going to be showing these different 7 work from home jobs you could apply for, but I'm also going to be showing you a bonus that will allow you to make even more money online. So I'm very excited to get into this video. If you are excited as much as I am, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you are ready to, potentially get out of your current job and maybe you're looking for something different. If you are, sick and tired of where you're currently at right now and you are ready for something different, let me know in the comments. Let me know how fired up you are to see this. But anyways, let's get right into things. So the very first one that I want to go over here is called LineBridge.com. This is a company that they are looking for search engine evaluators, I think is what it's called. And basically what you could do here is you can get paid to give your rating on different search results that come up in the search engine. So to explain how this works in a bit of a better description here, when someone goes on something like Google, right? They search up a particular phrase like how to lose weight, how to play the guitar, how to make money online. They type in something like that, and they get a list of results, on the first page of different articles that they could, of course, go and check out and see. They can get information on what exactly that it is that they are looking up. Now, the thing is that Google, big search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, they are always trying to improve their algorithm to make sure that whatever's coming up in the search results is relevant to what is actually being searched in the search bar. So they need actual people, just like yourself, to go in there and give your personal feedback on in terms of what is actually relevant and what needs to be pushed back in the search engine. So that's what they're looking for. And to get started with LineBridge.com, all you have to do is go to the LineBridge.com website, go over to join our team in the tab right here. You click on that, and then this will take you to where you can apply for one of their work from home positions. So right here they've got like 4 different categories right here, but this would be right under testers, raters, and curators. So you just want to click on learn more. And then this will give you a list of the different work from home positions that they currently have available on LineBridge platform. So they, I believe, are hiring pretty much worldwide. You could, apply in pretty much any of these countries here. So in my case, I would, of course, select, United States, and then I could see exactly what is currently available. So they've got each of these different positions available, and I believe here they call it rater. So it's it's often referred to as search engine evaluator, search engine search media evaluator. There's a ton of different names for it, but essentially it's pretty much the same exact type of thing. And pretty much all you're doing is you are looking up certain keywords that they give you into Google, into Bing, into search engines, and then you got to make sure that what comes up is actually relevant. So they'll give you, this will give you like a test that you would of course have to go through, and then if you pass the test, then you can pretty much get, right into the platform pretty much right then and there. And the benefit with this is that their pay is around, an average with, search engine evaluator. The pay is usually around $12 to $15 per hour on average. So it's a pretty good earning potential. And I believe this is more of like a side job. I wouldn't fully recommend it as like a full-time thing, but it is a great way to make some good money online. If you consider yourself rather, tech savvy, and you consider yourself good when it comes to, doing research, and, you like, looking things up and that type of stuff, then this is one to consider checking out. The next one is actually very similar to that. It's called Appencom. And this one, they're also looking for search engine evaluator sites. So similar to LineBridge.com, they've also got very similar positions where you could actually work from home. Right here on the top of the page is a section that says jobs. You want to click on that. and this will take you to where you could find their different work from home jobs that they have available. So right here, it would be under raters. So it's this part right here, flexible part-time home-based work that requires a computer and or mobile device. You want to click on apply, and this will give you a list of the different work from, positions that they have available. So it's here they call it search media evaluation. So you're working with the world's top search engine companies, again, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and you are pretty much giving your rating on different search results that are coming up in the search engine. So search media evaluation they got translation, transcription, they've got each of these other ones, but I would preferably go with search media evaluation. And they also have social media evaluation, which is very similar to that, except instead of working with search engines, you're working with social media platforms. So this would be like, Facebook, Twitter. You're pretty much working with those companies and helping improve social media websites. So this one, I believe, is also hiring pretty much worldwide. Again, they've got all the different countries listed, and I believe this is also for a part-time position. So it's about 20 to 30 hours per week is what you could expect to get with this. And again, it pays around $12 to $15 per hour. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is that with Appencom, I believe you do have to have a Windows 10 PC in order to get accepted for the job. I could be wrong, but the last from what I heard is that you need to have a Windows device. So as long as you have that, then you could pretty much get started with Appencom. Again, you do have to go through a test, and if you complete it, if you get like a passing, grade on it, then they pretty much accept you in right away, and you could start working from home. So Appen.com is the second one that I want to go over. The third one is called WebFX.com, and I'm going to see if this wants to load up. Hopefully it does. Okay, it looks like it's loading up. This is their careers page right here. And what they are looking for is I believe it's copywriters. Let's see if I could scroll down a bit here. Copywriters. Let me scroll down. So you just want to scroll down a little bit here. And right under where it says open positions and departments, it's this section right here that says earned media and copy. You want to go to this. And this will give you, there's one position right here. It says full-time remote copywriter and editor. So if you are someone that is, if you consider yourself skilled when it comes to copywriting and you are great, also like great at, like editing stuff, then this is one that you can consider checking out. And this one pays around $18 per hour. So the earning potential with WebFX is pretty good if you are, rather good when it comes to copywriting and editing, different text. So it's a great one to consider checking out. It's one that not many people are talking about. So if you want something that, pays very well, and if you are, good at copywriting, or you're willing to become good at, copywriting and editing and that type of stuff, then this is one I would definitely recommend checking out here. Again, you just click on that, and then you just go through the process of signing up with WebFX there. So it gives you more information, and then you could, so compensation $35,000 to $38,000. So pretty good earning potential right there, and then you can just sign up right there. Next one is called Profit Factory, and this one also looks like it's loading up a bit slowly here, but here is the page right here. Right here, this is, I'd say, more for like if you consider yourself, rather entrepreneurial minded. They are looking for virtual assistants to, of course, help them with, different things like, I guess it depends on like what they're currently looking for. But let's see, like if I go down to the bottom, where is it? Team leadership, okay. It's somewhere in here. About... I found it. So it's under services. You got to click on Great Assistant Program, and then this will take you to where you could check out the different virtual assistant positions that they have available. So these all pay around $18 per hour on average. And pretty much what you're doing is you're helping out different businesses with certain tasks that they, of course, don't have as much time for. So this could be things like, managing their social media platforms, stuff like that, working independently. So like this pretty much gives, information on what you would be helping them with. So things like, Microsoft Outlook, MailChimp, Office 360. They of course want you to have experience with these different, things like Zoom, WordPress, QuickBooks. So it's that type of stuff where if you consider yourself rather tech savvy and you are entrepreneurial minded, this will definitely be something for you to check out. But they've got multiple positions. It says here the starting pay rate for this position is $20 per hour. So again, 10 to 20 hours per week is what this says up top here. And it's about, $20 per hour. So it's a pretty good earning potential for something that is a part-time job right there. But they don't just have this. They've got, other ones as well. Virtual assistant, 10 hours a week. And they've got, different, virtual assistant type of positions. So this is a great way to check out if you are interested in doing, some virtual assistant work. And I'd say it's specifically if you are rather tech savvy. So this is one you could, of course, check out. Again, the site is called profitfactory.com, and all I did to find this is you just go to the site, and at the very top of the page, there is that link that says under services, you click on Great Assistant Program, and then you could there's like a jobs tab at the top that'll appear. So you just click on that, and then it'll just take you to this page right here. So that's the next one I want to go over. Next one is called textbroker.com. So if you consider yourself rather great when it comes to writing articles, maybe you have a blog that you're building up, or you have experience writing, and you consider yourself that as to be like a passion of yours, Textbroker is a site where you can get paid to write articles for other people. So this is a site that blog owners come to when they are looking to get content created for them. Maybe they don't have as much time to create articles themselves, and they want to outsource some of their work to writers just like yourself. So this is where you come in, and then you could offer to write articles for other people. So you all you want to do is just go to the sign up option right here. You go through the sign up process. It's free to start, of course, and you just can offer to start writing for other people. So if I go to I write content and you click on payment, that'll give some information on what you could expect to earn as a writer on this platform. So if I scroll down here, right here it shows like the so like for open orders, if you are a 2-star writer, it pays 0.7 cents per word. Doesn't sound like a lot, but of course, if you write a lot, if you could write a lot rather quickly, this can add up over time. If you are a 3-star writer, you get 1 cent per word. 4-star writer, 1.4 cents. And 5-star writer, you get 5 cents per word. So, of course, you want to do your best to become a 5-star writer, and then that way you could, of course, earn more. But they've also got like this little calculator here. So, like, if I'm a 4-star writer and I write 1,000 words rather quickly, that's a quick $14. 5-star writer, I just made $50 like that. And I used to write, 1,000-word articles like 3 times a week back when I had like this gaming blog that I was building. I used to write, rather quickly. So it's something that I've, of course, gotten, rather good at over time. But this is one that if you consider yourself rather good when it comes to writing articles, then I would recommend checking this one out here. So that's textbroker.com. Next one is called VIPKid. Now this one pays around $22 an hour. So this you can get paid to pretty much teach English online. So the benefit with this is that you could work pretty much whenever and where you want, and then you could earn up to $22 per hour. So all you have to do to get started, email, password, you create your account, and then you click sign up. And then this is where you pretty much you would be working with kids. I think it's like from China primarily. And they, of course, don't know English as well. So you, of course, have to connect with them. I assume it's through, like a video chat. So either like Skype or Zoom, you connect with them with, and then you help them learn English. So they have you go over certain things with them. You of course, help them learn English. But $22 per hour for this is actually pretty good earning potential. And also the other benefit is you are working pretty much, on your own schedule. So that's the benefit with VIPKid, and there is a pretty good earning potential with that one. And the last one is called Cambly.com, and this is also very similar to VIPKid. You can get paid to pretty much teach English online. So looks like that's learn English at the touch of a button. And of course, to get started with Cambly.com, all you have to do is, I believe it's down at the bottom there should be that link down at the bottom where you can get signed up, where you could sign up to become a teacher. So under jobs, you just click on this, and this will take you to where you could sign up to work for Cambly.com. So this gives you all the different, of course, you want to select where you're from. And if you see your location on here, it looks like it's not currently, looks like I don't see it on here, but this is where you could look through the different, ones that are currently available. So it doesn't look like this one is available worldwide, unfortunately, but if you happen to be in one of these different areas, you could work for Cambly.com. So that's the last one that I wanted to go over. And as a bonus, I promised at the very beginning that if you stuck to the very end, I would share with you a bonus on how you could make even more money. And that is none other than starting your very own YouTube channel. Now, the reason why I recommend starting a YouTube channel is because there are, of course, plenty of different social media platforms out there, but YouTube is the only platform, at least that I know of, that will actually reward you, and they will also pay you to create content on their platform. So if you, are, rather passionate about any topic in particular, and you want to, of course, share that passion with other people, then you could start up a YouTube channel, and then you could create content in that specific niche that you're going into. So, if you are rather passionate about like the health and wellness niche, or maybe it's about, making money online, and you want to, of course, share that passion, then you can create content around that. And if you can grow your channel, large enough, I think you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have, I think it's like 4,000 hours watch time. If you have that, if you could, of course, build that up over time, then it's a great way to start earning some passive income down the road. And what's also great about this is not only can you earn from, Google AdSense, but you could also make money through doing affiliate marketing. So once you start to build up a following of people that know, like, and trust you, you could start recommending products and services to them, and then also earn a commission whenever someone decides to buy a product that you recommend. So this is also, I believe, the best way to get into affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, you could always check out my very first link in the description. And that will give you access to my free training where you could actually learn more about how to really build a full-time business online through the concept of affiliate marketing. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. Also share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and also give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and take care.